We're here at the Eastern Florida State College Cocoa campus. We're visiting the welding program that EFSC has put together just for our students from Cocoa High School, learning how to weld. Students who complete this program are going to be eligible to walk right into a welding job right out of high school, making at least $25 an hour. They're going to be held to certain expectations. They'll show up on time, work hard every day to complete the program. The hands-on skills that they learn can be transferable to other occupations. This is a vocational dual enrollment program. These students are still in high school, and in the summer they're taking classes here at EFSC, and then next school year they're going to take classes in the evening, and then they'll complete the entire program. We really want to thank Eastern Florida State College for this opportunity. Here on the Space Coast, manufacturing and production-related industries are taking off, and we need as many skilled laborers as we can find. And so our students are going to be able to fit that need right here on the Space Coast.
I'm Denise Stewart. I am the proud principal of Cocoa High School. We have an inaugural cohort of students who are participating in a welding program as part of the Eastern Florida CTE offerings, and we're super excited about it, something that we have been waiting to get started for a long time. And so when they're done with the welding program, they'll also be finishing with their high school diplomas, and they'll be ready to enter the workforce right away, hopefully right here in Brevard. There's so many different places that they can utilize the skills and the industry certifications that they're earning, and that's what's really great about it, because it increases their opportunity, it increases the avenues that they have to take after high school.
I'm Chase Pilati. I go to Cocoa High School and I'm going into my senior year. The reason I'm taking this course is so I can get my certificate for when I do join the Marines. I already have it. I don't have to go through the schooling and I can jump right into the job I want to do. It's a lot of hard work and dedication being in the shop constantly, but it is a wonderful program.
My name is Joshua Cruz. I'm going into the 12th grade at Cocoa High School. We're being certified in MIG, stick, and I think we're going to get into TIG. We're learning all kind of the basic concepts of welding. We're going to get certificates out of it. It's a 2-year program. I think I'm planning on adding this to a career, but if something happens, I have this career to fall back on just in case anything ever happens.